Hello, good morning, students. Please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share, and comment. This is Shree Vishnu Art Press Publications, exercise number 9 and 10 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Start. A bare perusal of the provisions would go to show that where the management has notified a vacancy to the board in accordance with section 10(1) of the aforequoted act and the post of principal or headmaster actually remained vacant for more than 2 months, the management has to fill such vacancy on purely ad hoc basis by promoting the senior most teacher in the lecturer's grade in respect of a vacancy in the post of the principal and in the trained graduate's grade in respect of a vacancy in the post of the headmaster. Subsection 2 of section 18 provides that where management fails to promote the senior-most teacher under section 1, the district inspector of schools has been authorized to issue the order of promotion of such teacher, and the teacher concerned shall be entitled to get his salary as the principal or headmaster, as the case may be, from the date he joins such post in pursuance of such order of promotion. Subsection 3 provides that where the teacher to whom the order of promotion is issued under subsection 2 is unable to join the post of the principal or headmaster, as the case may be, due to any act or omission on the part of management, such teacher may submit his joining report to the inspector and shall thereupon be entitled to get his salary as the principal or headmaster, as the case may be, from the date he submits the said report. Subsection 4 of section 18 provides that every appointment of an ad hoc principal or headmaster under subsection 1 of subsection 2 shall cease to have effect from when the candidate recommended by the board joins the post. Section 21. The management shall not, except with the prior approval of the board, dismiss any teacher or remove him from service or reduce him in rank or reduce his emoluments or withhold his increment for any period, and any such thing done without such prior approval shall be void. In the present case, it has been sought to be contended that section 18 imposes unreasonable restriction on the right of management to appoint ad hoc principal of their choice, and without their wish senior most teacher is trusted upon the institution. In the present case, section 18, as has been noted above, confers right on the senior most teacher to be appointed as ad hoc principal of the institution. Said appointment is made when the management has notified the vacancy to the selection board and post in question remained actually vacant for 2 months. Then in this contingency till regular selection is not made by selection board, senior most teacher is to be promoted. Substantive appointment is to be made on the recommendation of selection board. Once in the matter of substantive appointment on the post of principal, no role is assigned to be played by the management, then certainly in the matter of ad hoc promotion of principal, management cannot have any legitimate grievance of their right being infringed. The appointments to the post of deputy manager in the present case were obviously not made on the basis of direct recruitment, but the selection and appointment were made on the basis of promotion. The list of candidates called for selection was only of serving employees, and no claim of any outsider was considered. It is evident from a bare reading of Rule 21 that no employee can claim promotion as a matter of right. It will depend on one's own suitability as on his relative standing with the others eligible for promotion. Rule 20 provides that promotion will be considered on the basis of suitability cum seniority in the grades or interlinked grade below the grade for which the promotions are being considered, subject to fitness of the employee being certified by the head of the department. A combined reading of Rules 20, 21, and 22 makes it evidently clear that suitability of a candidate for promotion has to be compared with others eligible for promotion. It is not the case of the appellant that her case was not at all considered for promotion to the post of deputy manager. It is clear from the record that the claim of the appellant for promotion was duly considered along with other eligible candidates, including respondent numbers 3 and 4 were ultimately found eligible and suitable for promotion. The selection board, having assessed the ratings of each of the previous 3 years' annual performance appraisals and performance of the appellant in the interview, found her not suitable for promotion. The respondent numbers 3 and 4 had outstanding ratings in their annual performance appraisals and were found suitable by the selection board. We cannot sit in appeal over the assessment made by the selection board and substitute our own opinion for that of the board. In the result, we find the decision to select and appoint respondent numbers 3 and 4 is not vitiated for any reason whatsoever. The post of deputy manager is an upper managerial post which, in terms of the existing recruitment and promotion rules, could be filled either by direct recruitment or by promotion. If the vacancy was to be filled up by way of promotion, promotion in such cases obviously means promotion on the basis of suitability cum seniority. The process of selection on the basis of suitability cum seniority is in accordance with the package of rules referred to herein above. It is not necessary in this case to restate and reiterate the difference between promotion based on seniority cum merit and merit cum seniority. The concept is different. In case of the former, greater emphasis is laid on seniority, though it is not the determinative factor, while in the latter, merit is the determinative factor. For the aforesaid reasons, we concur with the view taken by the High Court that seniority alone was not the determinative criteria for promotion. Merit or comparative merit was also taken into consideration by the selection board, and the same is not contrary to law and guidelines.